go down this street, right down this way, and it's kind of interesting street because we have a lot of these big giant banyan trees. I'm with my daughter, by the way, and it has like a lot of like old makeshift homes. So we're just gonna walk down the street. I don't know, we'll see how far we can get before we decide that the conclusion part is good. But it's gonna be right down that way. And just to show you real quick, that's the street we're gonna go down. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Alright, we're gonna take you with us. Let's go. Da-da-da-da-da. And actually, this street actually changes names down there, so we'll see. We'll show you what it's all about. I got my daughter here. So first thing we're gonna do is start showing you some of these kind of shanty-looking places, and they basically have like kind of tin. They're noted by all this tin and kind of makeshift everything about them, and some of them have actual businesses, so you can actually call the phone number there and have them, looks like maybe they recycle tires and different machinery of cars. So that's actually one of the things we're going to notice right away. And also just the way that they're built. Actually, they even have like some nice windows up there, but very makeshift. They just kind of put together this metal, and you can see the metal is like one tied on the other and kind of rusty, but nonetheless it's really interesting. Would you agree? So yeah, and actually even like this one right here, like what happened here, there's a door right here, but you think there was like a hole down there probably, so they just put another tin thing. And maybe some of them even have this kind of stuff too, like they have, you know, because there's like a gate, it just, you know, there's kind of endless kind of rebuilding on it. But it's pretty interesting though. But actually what I like about some of these is like this one right here, is some of them have little balconies too. Like that has a nice balcony, like you can sit up there and kind of enjoy the feeling of it. Oh yeah, this is the other street. So I don't know which street is which. So there's like this street here, which I think is this one there, but the other one has a different name. So I don't know the exact reason behind that. It's kind of confusing. It's always been that way, but I don't really know how to distinguish those. But right in here you got these beautiful banyan trees. So this is this area is kind of amazing. And these banyan trees, they actually have little these things right here, these QR codes. So these QR codes will talk about what it is, and then they'll have a specific number. So there's like certain trees in the city that are preserved, and those trees are known for as like trees to preserve. So all these trees on here have those numbers. So this is tree number 646, and I think it's a banyan tree, but there's another name for it. They call it a macare. What do you think about these trees?
They have like a lot of
Yeah, I think that's part of the root system.
Oh.
So these roots probably, they, you know, traditionally to go down.
Why are they going on the other side?
I don't know why. Well, these look like they might sprout in different areas. I don't know the characteristics of those. They do have, all of them do kind of have that characteristic like that. Actually, that one even has like a thing that's connecting these two. Oh no, that's a hose. It's pretty cool though, eh? Yeah, and actually all these, I've always thought that this area could turn into something really special. Like I could see this, you know, maybe someday they'll probably, these trees will always stay here, but it could be all lined up in a different way. this right here is a little path that goes all the way up to a university area. We're gonna take a look real quick. Now they have it paved, right? So like I think that was paved like I think it was right around COVID area, I think. But like 5 years ago even, this would have been all like dirt and mud and little stones and it would easily flood. And that's basically the same kind of thing. It just leads up to the roads that go up to the university, several universities.
For some reason my power bank is still working.
Still working, eh?
It's not red, but it's still working.
Strong battery. So yeah, someday I think I could kind of see this being like a place where they put a bunch of restaurants.
Those are hanging.
Oh, way up there, right? Oh yeah, those are like, I guess that's a characteristic of those trees. The roots are kind of just hanging from all kinds of different branches. Did you see a mouse? Yeah, I think they have squirrels in Macau. I don't know about here, but might have been. I've managed a lot of stuff live in these trees. Yeah, I can see someday like that. This could be, I think because those trees are supposed to be protected, those can't be moved. Like those will have to stay no matter what. And the street's kind of beautiful. And I think like right over there, you can see all these tall buildings everywhere. So all that is TAIPA Centro. And it's just a matter of time before that starts spreading out over here. And right now I think this is kind of a mix. Like this particular one is just buses. These are little shops that somehow they have the rights to their places and they have the makeshift, what's it called? Conjugal tin. But I think it's just a matter of time where they'll evict the residents or they'll sell out to something. So we're gonna keep on walking down and kind of see where we're coming from. But now we're gonna be walking into something a little bit different. So we're gonna just keep our focus. Over here we have the buses. And if you keep on walking, this is where it's gonna start to change a little bit. So you kind of come up into these apartments suddenly. This apartment building is the first one that we come across. And then you'll have some restaurants and shops in here, including this food Thai cuisine restaurant. And I think what we're gonna do, we'll just walk up a little bit further. I've seen this one before too. This is Top Fighting. Have you seen that before? Never? But they have like it's like some kind of gym. It says Macau Open Champions right there. Actually, that's from like 5 years ago. Like it says Macau Open Champions first season 2018. So that would have been like 5 years ago. And I guess they have like a boxing. Do you want to check it out? Look inside? I don't know if I can bring a camera, but we could just turn the camera off and go in. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of cool though. I don't want to bring my camera in and speak because they might say no cameras or say something, and then I'll feel awkward about it. Anyways, we're gonna go up a little bit further because we're gonna come up to a temple. Oh, we're still on our street too. Caminho de Povoação, Cheok. Let me just kind of show you real quick. So we're still in the same street. So this street is still that street. They're still the same. Oh, is it the cargo? Oh, that's cargo to the Philippines? Oh, they might, maybe that's because they do send those big boxes everywhere. Then we're gonna come up here to a temple in a minute. You can see some tall buildings in the background over there. That's that little complex, and we have all these tall buildings over here too. So I think it's just a matter of time before all this stuff gets like filled in with spaces. Can you read those characters in Chinese? What do you say?
Mun hao tou de.
What does that mean? Door is one of them. Maybe they have the same stuff here. Would this be the same? There's a little temple right up here, so I think the end of our street is going to be right there, and just before we end, we're going to bring it all the way down to that statue that's right over to that side over there. But it is kind of a cool little space. It's kind of just want to take a quick glance into it. It's pretty cool. Then we're going to go up and take a look at that real quick as well. And then, do you know this god right here? I see him everywhere in Macau, and I forget the name, but I think it's like this whole thing is dedicated to him. So there's several right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And there's a bee right there as well. Protection. And then right over there is Anglican College. I think that's Anglican College as well. Can you see it on the green on the other side? So let's conclude right here. Do you have anything you want to say? We found this here, Temple of Quan Tai and Tin Hao. We have some pictures, we have the map, and then it says it was constructed between 1662 and 1723. Wow, that's like a long time ago. 3 chambers. The central chamber is the Hall of Quan Tai, god of loyalty and bravery. To the right is the temple of the goddess Tin Hao, goddess of heaven, and a room for the temple keeper is on the left side. So that's basically it right there. So yeah, that was actually constructed between 1662 and 1723. Amazing. So that's about almost 400 years, about 350 years. Amazing. Well, we learned something new. And then just by the way, this street our street turned into this one, which is Huade Tin Shao. So yeah, kind of interesting. Okay, I guess we'll leave it at that. So we're in TAIPA. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.